Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to replace the spark plug in a Royal Enfield bike. Before that, let me explain you why there is a spark plug in an engine and what is the function of it. The only function of a spark plug is to ignite the fuel in the combustion chamber, and we recommend to replace the spark plug every 10,000 kilometers because there would be a lot of carbon forming in the spark plug. I'll be showing you how to replace it and what are the tools required, and I'll also show you the carbon deposits in the spark plug. Before that, I'll show you what all tools are required to replace the spark plug. So these are the tools which would be useful to replace the spark plug. One is the nose plier, and these are sort of spanners which you'd be getting in the toolkit. There are two different sizes of spanners which you'd be finding in the toolkit, and one hinge sort of thing to move this spanner, and obviously the spark plug. I'll open the spark plug and show it up for you. So these are the new spark plugs. There are two different sizes. So we'll go ahead and remove the old spark plug now. This is where we'll be finding the spark plug, right over here in this position. Since it's a twin spark engine, you'll be having two spark plugs, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. I'll quickly show you the other end as well. So here also you have another spark plug. Now to remove the existing spark plug, you'll have to remove the cable, this cable over here with the help of a nose plier. Now once we remove this cable which goes to the spark plug, you have to take this small spanner for the right hand side and put it in so that we can remove the existing spark plug. And with the help of this, you just have to hold it and remove it. Here you can see the old spark plug. You can see the carbon deposits over here. So these are the carbon deposits. Since it's been only 5,000 kilometers since I have replaced the spark plug, so there are not many carbon deposits. Now I'll go ahead and fix the new spark plug on the right hand side. So I just have to make sure that this end goes inside. Once the spark plug is in the position, you just have to tighten it with the help of the same thing. Once you fix in the new spark plug, you have to put this cable back in. Now we have to repeat the same steps on the left hand side as well, because it's a twin spark engine. We have two spark plugs, one on the right hand and one on the left hand side. Here you can see the difference between the old spark plug and the new spark plug. We can see the carbon deposits in the old spark plug. If there are too many carbon deposits formed on the spark plug, then the efficiency of the spark plug would be reduced. Also, that will affect the engine, because this wouldn't be able to ignite the fuel in the combustion chamber. So I recommend you to replace the spark plug every 10,000 to 8,000 kilometers. It also depends on the purity of fuel which we use and the riding conditions. Now I'll go ahead and install the new spark plug. So that's it, guys. I have replaced the spark plugs, both of the spark plugs, one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side as well. And this procedure is same for all the bikes, not only a Royal Enfield bike, but all the bikes. This is the same procedure. Thank you for watching. Cheers.